Hello guys, this is the third video of Scratch Junior, and this is the yesterday's work which we did. So we choose a blank page. Okay, now we'll choose a background. This time we will go to a more interesting level, and so we will choose a moon. Okay, here we chose a moon, and now we will choose an astronaut. Here he is, and now we'll choose one more. Here. Okay, now we have to make them more small. So we'll take this and we'll have to turn this into 1 because this when it's on 2 it makes it 2 times smaller. So we'll have to make it 1 time small. Okay, this much is okay. Okay, now it's perfect. Now we can change any of his name, and I'll tell you how. Right now it is by default astronaut, but we can change it. Look like this. We can change it. Like I can name him Neil Armstrong. Okay, there it is. And when astronauts are inside the spaceship, they wear an orange suit. So for now, we'll make him orange, like this. This one will be orange and the other one will be white. So again, we'll take the green flag, as I told you. We can make him move 3 steps. Let's make him 12. Okay, let's just try it. And let's see how it works. Yeah, it's perfect. And now how to make the person speak, we will have to come to this one. And here is the high one. But you can even change this if you want. Like you can turn it into Hi, I'm Neil Armstrong. Okay, and now we can end it. Wait, first before writing this Hi, I'm Neil Armstrong thing, you will have to just come to this one. And now this is saying send orange start message. So we'll have to put this before sending the message. Like this. Now it's ended. Let's see it. And as I told you, and this one is to come back where it was before. Like this. Okay, it's perfect. Now we'll do something with him. Wait, first we'll have to choose a green flag. And I even noticed one thing is that we can't write 100. And this voice comes when we try to write 100. So 100 is impossible to write over here. And then we will come over here. Oh wait, first we'll have to take this. And let's name him Buzz Aldrin. Okay, so now it's perfect. Look, now this looks perfect. And now you can even add one more uh, thing. You can even add a spaceship, or you can say a rocket. Wait, where is? Oh, it's right over here. Here. We can even make them more small if you want. Wait, first let's make these two astronauts more small. Okay, this one makes sense. Let's make him a bit more small too. Yeah, now they both are the equal size. And look, we can put the rocket right over here. And we can even make the rocket more large if you want, because they are usually more larger than the people. Okay, wait. We can even do some animation with the rocket. First, let's take the green flag. Now let's take the disappear one. Okay, let's just stick with two. Now let's make it twist like this. Okay, let's just try it. Okay, now we can even make that move up two steps. Then, well, we can make it move in an up way, like our planes take off. We can make it like that, but we can make it twist. Let's just try it. It looks like it's gonna crash, so I better remove this twist one. Now let's try it. Yeah, now this one looks like it's gonna land. Now today we will even make one with two pages, or you can make multiple. Okay, now you can even choose him because he's already chosen. Okay, let's just name this astronaut Buzz Aldrin. There you go. Now you press that tick button. Now we can even um, choose this one of space. Let's make them more small. Wait, I guess Neil Armstrong got too small. Yeah, now it's perfect for both of them. We can even add the rocket now. Instead of rocket, I can name it something else. You can even add one more type of mirror if you want, but it gets all scrambly. I mean, yeah, it gets scrambled. So let's just undo it. Okay. Okay, now it went away. You can just keep it space shuttle. Okay. Um. First, let's make all these astronauts disappear. Oh, yeah. First, we can do of Neil Armstrong, then we can do of Buzz Aldrin. Okay, so that's what he said when he just landed on on the moon. Okay, let's just not do this one. Did you ever hear about moonquakes? They are like earthquakes, but they are on the moon. Okay. Okay, and so wait. Let's just do this end one like here. Okay, now look. Wait a second. I thought that he's supposed to disappear. Okay, Neil Armstrong is behind him. Okay, and so this is enough for today, and tomorrow we will continue. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel.